Welcome. Welcome to the inaugural round of Exploding Record Roulette. We have 3 contenders in the arena today. We have Blades McGee, the squirrel cage fan that took a shit on me, and it's why I can't keep this building warm anymore. We have So Shit Redemption, a 12-volt battery-operated sewing machine that never worked. And then my son's dark horse contender, Mr. Stick. And you'll notice that we've given Mr. Stick a bitchin' set of abs and a nice grimace. He was quite proud of Mr. Stick. Now, he does, unfortunately, want to omit himself, my son, from watching the arena, as he described it as too scary daddy, no loud noises. So he won't be here to watch the initial round. But up against our 3 champions, Papa Loves Mambo, and the Mama Doll Song, and Muskrat Ramble. Now, this record has a massive structural flaw, a big crack running right through it. So I don't expect a lot of RPMs, but we'll see what kind of carnage ensues. My money is on that bastard right there. "10 volts. As always, we let her come up to speed at 10 volts just to get everything flowing. Give our contestants a chance to stare into the barrel of the gun. 20. Oh, Mr. Stick, he is down. Blades McGee is undamaged. Oh, Mr. Stick. Poor bastard. He took a shot right in the nuts. Look at that. You can see where the record started to embed itself, and it ripped Mr. Stick loose from his feet. Oh, Mr. Stick. Now that grimace is appropriate. Right in the nuts. It's always got to be a loser. Blades McGee versus the So Shit Redemption. Round 2. Stay tuned.